see you guys at my door. Hi. You here? Come on in.
Watch the breakdown.
Oh wow, I'm really pretty. Hi guys. Wagwan and what is up, you guys? It's your girl Princess Day, if you didn't know, and welcome to the kingdom. In this video, I'm going to be doing a college room tour, well, college apartment tour, I'll say. And before we get into this video, whatever, you already know the deal. Smell yourself. You smell bad. You smell like rotten eggs. You smell like my little brother's. Today I have some more dossier perfume. Marigold. This one is aromatic star arise per. Oh my gosh, this is men's perfume actually. It smells so good. Imagine your significant other just coming in and smelling like this. Guys, I have exam on Saturday. Today is Thursday. I'm trying to hurry up so I could go study. I'm gonna give this to my brother for his birthday. Oriental lavender. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So what I'm trying to say is make sure you use my coupon code 10princezz for money off. And now let's get into this video, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna record from my phone because I just don't stress me. So when you walk in, first is my closet and it has mirrors on both. My closet is literally a mess, but you guys know I'm just gonna unfilter for you. It's because I have too much stuff and not enough space, so it ends up just looking like this. And I can try to arrange it or whatever, but I'm just gonna keep it unfiltered. This is what it looks like on a daily basis, and I literally have clothes in the laundry, so God help us, we're not ordering any clothes anymore. This is my carpet and or rug, whatever you call it. It's pretty big. I got it from Amazon. This is my ring light. I use it to take all my bad bitch pictures. My TV, my PS4. Yeah, I've had all these stains from my last place, but I just brought it here again. You can tell I just love music so much. And all these cabinets, I basically just like have like random clothes, like random. Like this is like my underwear. I don't even want to show you guys because Jesus, I'm actually a hot mess. The thing is, I'm actually really like, I'm a really clean freak, but I'm an organized mess. So it's organized, but it's just a mess. Right here is like my underwear and stuff, my gym stuff. It's also like organized mess. I don't even wear bras. Here is just like more random clothes. And here is literally the randomest of the randomest.
What? So
I just put more clothes in here. My piano, of course, because you know I'm a certified noisemaker. My chair, I got this from Burlington for like $50. My snacky snack for when I'm doing my eyebrows or when I'm doing schoolwork or whatever. This is my desk, unfiltered. I'm not going to try to clean it up for you guys, but this is it. I really like this art. That's what I'm trying to show you. I couldn't put it up, so I just put it here because I don't know why it wasn't staying up. I tried to put it there. Next, if we move back, you see some dossier perfumes, as you should go and get some. Make sure you use my coupon code 10princezz and get money off. And then you see my little makeup organizer. I don't really use it that much, but I bought it, so. And then underneath here I have my makeup caboodle. In this place I have some random junk. In this place I have my eyeshadow palettes, my bonnet, and more random junk. Remember that I'm in college. I'm not here for aesthetics. I'm just here to survive and get a 4.0 and graduate, period. Then we move on to over here. This is my shoe rack, but then I feel like it just looks so unkept. So I usually just use this blanket to just cover it. It makes it look more neat. I just have like my everyday shoes just out here chilling. Everyday purse. This for when I'm doing homework on my bed, which is like every day. This bedding set was from Walmart, and underneath this bedding set I literally have two bed padding, because I had to make sure that this is gonna be soft. You see I have 4 pillows, and this is, you guys already know Corey White, you already know Michelle, and this is new on my channel, but I've had her for a couple of months, and this is Aisha. I have 4 pillows, pretty basic stuff, and you guys know that I'm super obsessed with leaves and the aesthetic, so that's what this is. My LED lights, you can see it everywhere at the top. Oh, let me change it to blue. Let me turn off the lights so you see. So this is what it looks like at nighttime when I usually sleep. Either blue, green, or red. I really like the red. I forgot to mention that this artwork was from, I don't know if it was Family Dollar, or it was probably Family Dollar. And then this was also from Family Dollar, and I just felt like she looked like me. Vibes on vibes. And then I used under my bed, because my bed is so high, for like just storage for lashes or whatever, and extra clothes. My book bag is always next to my bed, so I could easy access for homework. My trash can, my bathroom flip-flops. It's me again, looking slim thick. I've been going to the gym. And then next we go into my bathroom. Once you go in, the first thing you see is her. And then you see the rest of the bathroom. So in my bathroom, you see weight. You see my laundry stuff. You see my bath. I think it's kind of weird, so I'm just not gonna show you guys where I take my shower. You see my little basket for toilet paper, and my little, this, if you know, you know. I don't have to explain myself. With some wipes, with mini trash can, the toilet. So I do have LED lights in the bathrooms. I have this little waterfall. I don't know what's wrong with it right now, but on a normal day it's usually working. And I have leaves, because you know I'm just obsessed with nature. And in my sink or whatever, in my bathroom cabinets, I just have like normal stuff. Like, I shouldn't even have to show you guys. It's just normal stuff. And then there's air fresheners, because we got to smell good. For the most part, guys, that's literally all for my room. And I'm just going to show you like the common area. So this is what the door looks like to enter the apartment. Princess and my roomie Alexia, she's so sweet. Okay, we're gonna go in. So first, when you first walk in, this is what you see. That chair was in my room, but I took it out because it's ugly, and I bought that pink chair. This was courtesy of me. So is this, because you've been out and about. So if you just get home, just quickly use hand sanitizer. And then this pillow was me too. This was Alexia. This was me, and this was her. This is what it looks like. It's pretty basic. We didn't decorate that much because don't nobody got time for that. And then from there we go into my favorite place, the kitchen. So just know that everything up there is literally mine. Everything. I did not come here to kill myself. I came here to jaye. You get? My wall is almost finished. I have one in my car, but I don't have the upper body, so I need to find a man to bring upstairs. Probably David. This is cute. This is where we make all the food. A dishwasher. everything there is literally mine, but she's welcome to use it. And then these are my stuff. These are hers. At the top is mine with the paper plates because I don't wash too much dishes. I don't like washing too much dishes. Keep going. You see our laundry room. This is it. I literally have some clothes in there right now. And then behind that door is her bathroom. So what happened is my room has the bathroom inside, and then this other room has the bathroom outside. I don't know why they did that, but I'm just happy that my bathroom is inside because what? If you're at the end of this video, I'm trusting you that you watched the whole thing all the way through. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with a friend, and check dossier.com and use my coupon code 10princezz for money off. Everybody likes money off. Why don't you use the coupon code BUY? I'm giving you coupon code. Come on, use it. You know what I'm saying? Just use it. I don't have time to argue with you. Just use my coupon code and go get money off. Free is free now. Big. Don't stress me. But guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Love and kisses from Royalty Baby. I love you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.